Hello guys, it's Liverpool fans here today. So today what we're going to be doing is you're going to be watching Liverpool versus Wolves. I watched the match and it ends up 2-0 to Liverpool, and yeah, enjoy the video guys. Um, just a quick one guys, that video of Salah, we done that volley, it could have scored that volley. He really could have scored it, but yeah, he gave it his best shot. What I'm gonna do is let's go like skip a little bit of it and enjoy the rest.
Sarkonian away from Saiss. It's Mane, and Lallana's effort is kept out. Really from Mo Salah. Someone like quality at times in the front three from Liverpool. When it's come, it's been that man. I just thought he was going to try and get there and knock it. And only two Salah. Straight back into
Goal.
the danger area. And Virgil van Dijk scores his first league goal for Liverpool. That
2-0.
might just be the one that keeps them at the top of the table for Christmas.
So, guys, that was the Liverpool versus Wolves match. We won that one. We got Newcastle on Boxing Day, so that'll be a good game. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to Liverpool fans. Peace. Bye.